how to create post and set categories on WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a beginner's tutorial on how to create a post and set categories on WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your WordPress dashboard, and this is where you will get. This is a test website that I'm creating, and this is my dashboard right here of WordPress. Today I'll show you how you can create a post and set categories of that post on WordPress. So let's get into it. The process is really easy. Once you are on your admin right here, you will get this panel where we can see all of our different menus and different options. So the first option we get is post. So we can go to all posts and it will show me all of the posts that I have created on my WordPress website. To create a new post, you will click on add new option, or you will get the add new option here as well. So I'm just going to click on this one and it will allow me to create a brand new post on WordPress. So this is where we will be writing. Now you can create a blog or you can write any kind of post. Today I will be writing a blog for my WordPress website. You will also get this plus right here, which will allow you to insert any kind of blog to your post. So we can add like paragraphs, headings, quotes, and gallery, image, audio. We have videos, InDesigns, we have buttons, and more. We have different widgets such as archive, calendars, and we have latest post, RSS feed, social icons, and more. So we can actually create a very professional post on WordPress. Let's get started with the title. And I'm gonna select a blog of paragraph. It's a simple drag and drop and it will allow you to write. So now I will just type in my blog right here and I will see you guys in a minute. So I have written my blog right here and you can see I have added all the text I wanted to. Now you can see this is a simple text I have added. I will customize it with WordPress. So first of all, what I can do is I can insert different headings if I want. So I'll just go right here and in here I can just go with a heading. And you can see this is going to be a heading and this is what it looks like. We can also customize our title right here if we want. Similarly, I can create more than one headings in my blog right here. For example, right here, I just need to go to this bar and select the heading option, drag and drop it where I want to add. We can also add a code. So when it comes to working with WordPress, coding is also really important. So if you want to add any kind of coding aspect, then you can just select this option in which is code and you can add coding wherever you want to. Then we have quote marks right here. We have verses. It depends on what kind of post you are creating. In media, we can upload an image, gallery, audio, cover, file, video, image compares, slides, and stories. So I'm gonna upload an image. So I'll just drag it and drop it right here. All right. Now we can upload an image or select an image from our media that we already have on WordPress. So I will be uploading an image. So maybe this is the image that I wanted to go for. And I can place it wherever I want to. I can also customize it. I can crop it. I can replace the image. Click on these three dots and it will give you more options such as duplicate, insert before, insert after, move to, edit HTML, log, reusable blocks, and we also have the remove image option. So this is how you will be adding any media to your post that you have. Similarly, I can go to this plus button now and it will allow me to add maybe a calendar or a button as well. So let's find a button. You can also search right here. So I'm going to search for a button. Okay, perfect. Let's drag and drop them at the bottom. All right. So this is our button right here and I will add the text. Click here and now we will add our link. So you will just search the URL and add it right here. So this button will take you to the URL that you will add right here and you can select the option of open in new tab. So a button is also added. So this is how you can add more and more options to your post on WordPress. It is a really good platform with all of these different tools. Once your post is done, you just need to click on publish or you can get a preview as well. So I'm going to click on publish. All right. So for visibility, I am going with private for now. And this is the URL. And we can view our post. Now it has been published. You can see. Let's view our post. And you can see this is what it looks like. It also has our button. So this is how you will be creating a post on WordPress. Now let me show you how to create categories. In order to create categories, you can go to the post section here, and this time we will go to categories. In order to create category, you just have to give it a name. Let's just call it test. Then you will add a slug, and I'm gonna say again call it test. This is like a URL friendly version of the name. If you have any parent category, you can select it, or this can be a category itself. And then just add the category description. Once you're done, you're gonna select different posts from here that you want to add to this category. Click on add new, and you can see a category will be created. Now I can view it anytime I want. I can delete it, I can quick edit it or edit the category, which will allow me to edit the name, parent category, and description again. If you want to view it, click on view and it will show you the category right here. This way I can create as many categories I want, and I can perform bulk actions. I can create more categories and apply different coding to it and apply different themes as well. So this is how you create a post and a category on WordPress. When it comes to creating posts on WordPress, there is another option that we can avail, and that is the tag option. Now, tag will allow me to customize my search and create different tags for different posts that I have on WordPress, and it will allow me to actually divide my post into different tags and create folders. So again, it's really easy to create a tag as well. You just name your tag whatever you want to do. Let's just call it new. Then we have a slug. So in slug, again, I'm just going to add the word new. And in description, you're going to write any description you want to. So I'm just going to write the word new tag for now. And click on add new tag. New tag will be created immediately. And you can see right here, I can now edit it. I can delete it. And whenever I'm creating a post on WordPress, I will be able to actually add this tag. And I can create as many tags as I like, maybe a completed one. Then we have a slug. So in slug, I'm going to write the word completed again. And then we have description. Click on add new tag, and your brand new tag will be created. So this is how we can also create tags for the posts that we create on WordPress. And this way, we will be able to customize our categories well, and we can actually create new and new categories for different tags, add different tags to the categories. So it's a really good, customization that we can create with WordPress. So you can just go back to your dashboard, and every time you go to post, you will be able to access all of these different features. Even when you open up one feature, it will allow you to switch between different options that we have. So how we usually use WordPress. So now you are good to go. You can create as many posts as you like. You can add different tags to actually filter your post that you are creating on your WordPress website or your online store. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.